smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, easier to love, oh. It's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today's a vlog day. We are getting back into groove. I went to Hawaii for a week and a half, and it was the longest I've been away from home and from work, and it was chaotic. It got really tiring after a few days, and I couldn't wait to get back, and I'm finally back. Today we're just gonna do some cleaning up. You saw in the clips earlier I was doing a lot of tidying and just resetting my life. So today's Sunday, we're doing a Sunday reset. There's some stuff I have to do. I'll show a little tour of my desk that I have set up for now. We're going to do some content creation. I have some videos I need to shoot for TikTok. I've been doing more TikToks recently, so make sure to go check it out there. The videos will be on IG and on TikTok, so you can find them in both locations, but TikTok is where I think I'm going to focus more on because I do love content creation and I want to continue doing that. So this is my TikTok. Go check it out if you haven't already. Other than that, I am working on adding some Poshmark stuff. I do have a bunch of things that I've been wanting to put on Poshmark, but I was going to do them before I left, but then I realized I won't be here to pack them, so decided to get them ready afterwards. And then the last thing we're probably going to do is get ready for Monday, because Monday is back to work. We'll be back in the office, and there's a lot to do. I had a lot of things I needed to do. I did a little bit of work in Hawaii, but then obviously it gets tiring and there's not much time during the day because you want to go out and do other things. So there's a lot of things I didn't get to do, so I need to take those tasks and move it over. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the first thing. So the first thing we're going to do is do a mini chat of my desk setup. So I have a little area here for tissue and a little bit of other things. Sometimes I put USB-C related things and adapters, and then I have this cute little organizer. This one is actually from Yamazaki Home. They sent that to me along with some other stuff I will show you in my home office setup in the future, but that's one of the items I got. We have my little setup here. I have my new Logitech Pop Keys keyboard, and then I also got the new Lift one, which I am testing it out today, so we'll see how that goes. I'll update you on that. I have my laptop on this side. I have my notes of iPad on this side, and then I have my really pretty desk mat from Grove Made and Macy Lay, and that's pretty much where I'm at right now. The rest of the office is messy and getting there, but I will show you once that is done. So that's the mini tour of my desk for now. It will definitely be changing throughout the couple of weeks. I'm trying to put things on the wall and stuff like that, so I'll show you a full review later on. You can see in the background, I still have some other things, such as the shelf that I've said in previous vlogs that I will be removing and bringing it to the office and warehouse, but I haven't done so yet. And then this is also from Yamazaki, which is something new, and I can't wait to share with you when I finish styling it and when I find the perfect spot for it. So now we're going to do some content creation. I have to do lots of videos and stuff like that since I'm trying to post more on TikTok and Instagram. So I did purchase this one here, which was pretty popular on TikTok. This is the Atumtech tripod. It's pretty big, but it's pretty compact for a tripod. It's very, very sturdy, and I love it. So Looks like this, super easy to use. You just press the button on the bottom and then it will open up, and then you basically just pull everything out, and you have your phone stand here, which can do vertical shots and has different angles you can use. You can do like a normal vlogging style if you want. It's really, really good, and all you have to do is just pull it out, and then you can make it super tall, and then the legs kind of fold out. Sometimes I have trouble doing it, but there you go. So I did it. This is the second time filming this, but there you go. That's all I have to do, and then I just film on this, and it's been very, very easy to film things recently, so that's really, really good. And I'll show you a little bit of behind the scenes.
You by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, easier to love.
So for Poshmark, I did have some stuff I brought back from Canada, and these are the items that I'll be taking photos of. A lot of these items are basically new. They just don't fit anymore, don't fit my style anymore. I also have a handful of bags on the bottom here, which I will be taking photos of. So I guess mainly today's focus is take all the photos as possible, because it does take some time to put them up on Poshmark. So let's get in.
If the sky is falling down on me, you'll be the one that's by my side to lift away from me. And if I find myself,
So the last thing for today is to focus on plan for Monday. So when I went to Hawaii, I only brought a notebook here. This one actually is kind of like a test product and something I just made for myself from Poi Hun. So I've been using this. It's basically just dotted grid paper. This is like a lot thinner than our current ones. So if you're interested, let me know. This is what I've been using recently to kind of test it out. But I did have a section for urgent work to do. So those are the things that I had to do when I was in Hawaii. If I had time, I had a list of things to do in general. And then as I was working, I would also keep other notes in here and stuff like that. So you can see a lot of notes in here. So I'm going to go through all these notes and basically just figure out what's important, what needs to be done this week, and things to look for during the upcoming weeks and stuff like that. So yeah, time to do some planning.
nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring, so I'll never leave.
So that's it for this video. It's getting a little dark because I did wake up super late. I think I am slightly jet lagged. 3 hours can make a really big difference. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions or video requests, let me know down below. I would love to do them. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!